Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, whenever you return from a long break like we just come off of, it can take a day or so to get ourselves back into routines and what I like to call school mode. And as we begin our second day this week, make the decision that you will do the work to get back into school mode with your best efforts towards being an above the line listener and your best effort toward all the school responsibilities you're going to have today. We have to own that it is up to each one of us to have ourselves ready for another school day. That long break, that's just an event. That letter E in E plus R equals O. The fact that it may be a little more difficult, to wake up in the morning because you got used to sleeping in over that break, that too is also an event. That letter E in E plus R equals O. And if we want to earn the outcome of being back in school mode, then we have to own our R. We have to take responsibility for our responses. And we have to make sure that we put our best efforts towards being an above the line listener and our best effort towards our school responsibilities today. That would be our R. Remember, we have complete control over our responses. That letter R in E plus R equals O. And since we completely control them, we have to do what we see as the first behavior under that belief of own. We have to take responsibility. That's a behavior. Taking responsibility is an action. It's a choice. And when you take responsibility, it means you're going to make sure that you're making above the line responses. The opposite of taking responsibility is what you see up here in the corner. It's to BCD, to blame, complain, or defend. BCD, that too is a choice that you make. And if you do, you're going to have to own it. You have to take responsibility for that choice. Now we get to own above the line and we have to own below the line choices. And when we take responsibility, we're going to recognize why events can make things a little more difficult. For example, as we get back into school shape, many of us didn't wake up as early over break as we do for a school day. We can own that. And that can have some of us feeling a little more tired as we return to school. But we don't get to blame that event for why we don't give our best effort towards being an above the line listener or give our best effort towards any of our school responsibilities. Instead, we own that it makes it a little more difficult at times, but we can take responsibility of our responses and give our best effort even though it's going to take more work. So own your actions and choices today. Take responsibility for all of your responses, and it will be a day where you get back into school mode, and it's also going to be a day where you grow the best version of yourself. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 6th, 2026, and for lunch today we'll have popcorn chicken, cooked carrots, pears, and a vanilla goldfish. The alternate sandwiches this week are either a turkey and cheese or a peanut butter and jelly. We don't have any birthdays to celebrate today, but we do have an academic congratulations to recognize. We want to say congratulations to kindergarten students Penelope Hilling for finishing word list number 11 and Daniel Adams for finishing word list number 19. And those students are both in Miss Du Bois's class. Well done to the both of them and to all of their students who are doing the work to earn their academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right as we always do. And in fact, it's up to each one of us to take responsibility if we take advantage of this moment each and every morning. It is something that can truly help set you up for the day or set you up for the next moment you're going to have in the day. So take responsibility for how you get your mind right this morning. I'll go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Now breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good, boys and girls. I don't have any other announcements for you this morning, so let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.